Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm IT. I will tell you today about AHT. So AHT or ACHT is the same thing. In some companies it is called like ACHT and in some companies it is called like AHT. AHT means average handling time or average call handling time, ACHT. Okay, if I talk about the one statement about ACHT, so the total average time to take a particular call is called ACHT. Okay, so I'm telling you in brief about ACHT. There are four components of ACHT. Like first is talk time, then hold time, then wrap time, then number of answer calls. Which calls are being answered. Okay, so let's suppose I'm giving you an example. The talk time. What is the talk time? So let's suppose for it isn't the talk time is 3 hours. Okay, and 15 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, I think next he put it all the calls on hold, and the total hold time is around 17 minutes and 28 seconds. Okay, next the ACW. ACW means average call after call work time. It means the time when we disconnected the call, when the call is not connected, call is completed and the new call is come. Okay, so the between time between the time between a new call and the old call is called ACW time. So let's suppose ACW time is 3 minutes. Sorry, just wait, I'm just typing. Okay, 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Okay, so and the total number of answer calls are 77 here. So the advisor has taken 77 calls in this talk time, hold time and wrap time. Now I tried to calculate the AST. Okay, so let's be online. Guys, if you are new subscriber, if you have not subscribed my channel, then I request you to please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you could able to know about new updates. Okay, so be online please. So now I have to add all the 3 times, that is talk time, okay, hold time and wrap time. Okay, I have to make a sum of these talk time. Okay, because the calls are in number format, so I have to make this format, this talk time, this time format into number. So in for making it in number, I would like to multiply it with 86400. 86400, because in a day there are 86400 seconds. Okay, so it is comes about now in number format. I have multiplied it in number format. Okay, so now the term is total talk time, hold time, wrap time divided by number of answer calls. This is the formula for AHT. So I have total talk time, hold time, wrap time. Now I will divide it by the number of answer calls. Number of answer calls means I have taken 77 calls. So this is the AST, 169 seconds. Always we consider AST in seconds when we are calculating the things in seconds. So it is the 169 seconds. So guys, I hope you understand the formula for ACHT. I'm again revising the formula. The total talk time, hold time, wrap time divided by number of answer calls is called ACHT. Okay. In my next paragraph, I'm telling you how would we calculate the AST for for a month or for multiple processes like. Okay, so here you would like to see these are the dates 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I have to calculate the MTD AST. Okay, what is the MTD AST? You can also know it like the process 1 2 3 4 ABCD. These are the process. So how would we calculate the consolidated compiled AST for that? Okay, so just wait. So friends, I have taken here some data to make some convenient time. Okay, I have put it here the AST and the calls. Okay, so let's suppose the 168 for the day first on 1st Feb, the AST time would be 168 for the 92 calls, and 143 for the 108 calls, and 159 for the 187 calls. Okay, this is the AST which was on given dates. Okay, and these are the calls. So for the MTD calculation for AST, first of all I would like to multiply and making it the AST time. Okay, so this is the AST for that day. So this would be multiplied by the number of answered call for that day. Okay, so 92 are the answered call. So first of all I am making it the time by multiply the things. Okay, this is called ACST time, the time in seconds, okay, for taking the 92 calls. Okay, this is included talk time, hold time, and wrap time. So guys, what will I do? I will sum all the calls. Okay, by taking a formula of sum. You may know, I'm just noting sum, and I'm taking the sum of this number of calls, and like that I will also take a sum of this AST time. So this is the total time. Okay, this is the total time, and this is the number of calls. Okay, so now what will I do? I will again make total time divided by total number of answers. So this is 164 second is the MTD AST. You meant to say this is the process AST. If these are the process 1 2 3 4 5. If these are the process, this is the process AST, and these are the dates. So this is the MTD AST. Okay, you may also convert it in the according to the interval, like the in one interval, second interval, third. Okay, so this would be calculated as the MTD AST, MTD multi-till MTD AST or process AST, or whatever you want to tell this. Okay, according to your input, it would be calculated as a consolidated AST. So friends, I hope you understand the formula for AST. Okay, so just wait. So friends, I am telling you some more things for making a more clarity. Okay, I have this raw data. You may see here, this is the date, employee name, TL name, and I would like to calculate the AST for this raw data, because all the four components are there, like the talk time, number of answered call, hold time, wrap time, idle time, whatever. It has the lots of things whatever is being used in call center. So I would like to calculate only AST. So I'm just inserting a column here. Okay, I'm inserting here two columns. Okay, this would be the total time. Total AST time. Okay, and AST. Okay, I will mark here AHT. Okay, and this would be the AHT time. So friends, you always know, as I have already speak to you, that first we have to calculate, we have to make a sum of total AHT time. It means stop time, okay, and then hold time, and then wrap time. So we are making sum of these time. Okay, so we are just dropping it down. Okay, I have taken the sum of this time. Okay, then what will I do? Because it's a employee wise AHT. So what will I do? Will make the format in number. So I will multiply it with the number of seconds in a day, like 86400. I have multiplied here. Okay, but it is showing 000 because it's a need of format here, because making for the number format. This is in time format. So I will right click on this format cell, okay, and make it in number format, okay, in placing of 0. Okay, so this is numbers in seconds. Okay, now what will I do? I will make this divided by number of answer. Okay, so again you will see I will dropping down. Okay, so it is again showing in time format, so I will make it by right clicking and will make it in number format. So you may see now this is the AHT, employees wise. So Rahul Dev, there is the employee for that day, day first and day first of Feb. His AHT was 171, and Mithu Kumari, his AHT was 164 and 400, like that you may see the AHT. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed and learned about my videos. Okay, what is AHT and how would be calculated AHT and what are the components for AHT. So guys, be tracking, be subscribe our channel so that you may get more things about WFM and MIS. Okay, in our next video I would like to tell you some more things like occupancy, shrinkage, attrition I will tell you in this video. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for being online. Have a nice day.